Hello and welcome everybody. So from this lecture we are going to start about the discussions of our topic about Foundry. This is basically a part of the syllabus that is of the undergraduate students. So right now we are going to discuss the topic of the Foundry. It is a part of the workshop for the undergraduate student. So first of all we have to know about the what is Foundry. Foundry आगे का चीज है क्या? ये है क्या? So the foundry इसको हम दूसरी तरह से second names it is also known as the casting. So either you can call it a foundry or you can call it a casting. दोनों सेम चीज ही होती है. So ये एक प्रोसेस होती है जिसमें हम प्रोडक्शन करते हैं मेटल एलोय की. It is a process where we produce the metal alloy component of a part of the desirable shapes by pouring the molten metal alloy into a prepared mold of that shape. Basically, we have a pre-specified the shape or and in that shape we pour the molten metals in order to get a shape of our desired. So that is the process, that entire process of the producing the molten metal component part of desired shape by pouring the molten metal into a poured mold. Mold is basically just like a frame or a shape. So this process is known as the foundry. And in this process the entire step by sometime in your viva they may ask the process step by explanations of the process of the foundry. So you can explain it like firstly there is a melting of the metal, then there is a pouring of the metal into the molds, and then we allow the molds to get the cool and solidify. So the after entire the completing this process the final product that is obtained as a solidified piece of the metal alloy is known as the casting. Basically what we have to think is that while preparing for the foundry workshop there is always in the workshop you need certain set of the equipment that we will need throughout your workshop. So there are large numbers of the tools and equipment which we are using in the foundry workshop to carry out the operation. And there are large numbers of the operation that we have to perform in the foundry workshop, like the sand preparation. There may be a case of the molding, there may be a case of the melting, pouring, casting. So for different purpose you need the different set of the tools, and those tools are the tools of the foundry. Basically there is a way to classify the tools. So they can broadly be classified either as a hand tools or sand conditioning tool or flask power operated equipment, maybe the metal melting equipment, maybe the fitting or finishing equipment. So या तो वो हो सकती है जिन्हें हम हाथ से यूज कर सकते हैं, या फिर वो हो सकती है जिन्हें हम सैंड कंडीशनिंग जो हमारी सैंड्स के साथ जो हमारी वर्कशॉप परफॉर्म होने वाली है हम उसके लिए जो टूल यूज करते हैं. इट माइट बी द आइदर द पावर ऑपरेटेड जिसे हम पावर से यूज कर सकते हैं, आइदर मे बी द मेटल मेल्टिंग इक्विपमेंट जिसमें हम मेटल को मेल्ट करेंगे, और आइदर इट मे बी लाइक द फिटिंग एंड फिनिशिंग इक्विपमेंट जो कि हम अपने मोल्ड्स को फिट और फिनिश करने के लिए जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट टूल यूज करेंगे. सो दे कैन ब्रॉडली बी क्लासिफाइड इन द डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज, and the different kinds of the hand tools are used by the molder. Molder basically whom we call the molder. Molder is a person who is performing the molding. So if you are the performing workshop of a foundry, so you are the molder in that case. So different kinds of the hand tools are used in that case, and that hand tools is known for the tools of the foundry. So here is a list of the tools. In the Viva there might be a case that they may ask you to give the name of the tools and they may ask its functioning. So we will be discussing that in great detail. So first of all here you can see the list. The list is the hand riddle, shovel, rammer. Rammer may further be classified into the four subcategories: hand rammer, pin rammer, floor rammer, and pneumatics. Then there is a screw edge pin, there is a strike of bar, there is a mallet, draw spike, vent rod, lifter, trowel, sticks, a smoother, swab, sprit level, gate cutter, gagger, willow, clamps, and the cotton beds. This entire set, that is the about 18 tools, is the tools that we are going to use throughout our the foundry. Basically what we have seen in that from the previous experiment, I have also appeared for the workshop examination and has scored decently. So where there is a viva. Basically the workshop is a type of the internal examination in our college. I don't know about the which university you are and what is the functioning. So that entire marks will be, and the viva plays a major role in that topics. So they may ask you questions regarding this, and that will be the major focus of our topics. So this is the different, they may ask you the tools, and these 18 tools are the set of the tools that we will be discussing throughout our discussion. This will be gonna to be a long and quite interesting series. So I hope you will be enjoying it. So kindly please like this video, please share this video, please subscribe this channel, and you may also refer this channel for the other topics, like we are having a series of the engineering drawing. So if you having problem with that, so you can refer that. Thank you. Please support us. Thank you. Thank you very much.